Hello friends, my name is Gaurav and welcome to my YouTube channel.
The problem that we are going to discuss today is solve me first. So here it is given we have to compute the sum of two integers and the function prototype is given something like this. So this function will return an integer which will be the sum of the two arguments which are a and b, where a is the first integer and b is the second integer, and the return value is sum of the above two integers. So the sample input is given something like this: a is 2 and b is 3. So the function should return 5. Let's jump to the solution. It is pretty simple. As you can see, the main method is already given to us, and we just have to complete this solve me first function. Also, they have given the hint. So it is something like this: return a plus b, because these a and b are the parameters of this function. So let's try to run this code. Yes, so you can see 2 plus 3 is 5. Now try to submit this code. Cool. So that's it, friends, for this solution. And also we will be coming with more videos under this algorithm section. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share to your friends, and happy learning.